Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post a carousel on LinkedIn. Let's get started. Once you reach the Canva website, you're going to search up carousel, and what you'll notice is that there are plenty of examples of other carousels you can choose from, or you could design your own. It's your choice by creating a design, by clicking over here, create a design. So I'm going to choose this one, for example. Black and white, modern, bold, multi-page carousel Instagram post. So I'm going to click on customize this template. And as you can see here, we have our templates, building brand trust, transparency matters. So we're going to press share here in the top right. So if you're going to post a carousel on LinkedIn, you have to ensure that it is in PDF standard, not PNG and not JPEG. So we're going to click on download. And as you see here under file type, it'll say PNG. We don't want that. We're going to click on this little downward arrow and we're going to select the PDF standard. And then we'll press download. And as you can see there, it says black and white modern Instagram post and it has been downloaded. So now we're going to go to the LinkedIn. Once you reach LinkedIn, you're going to click on start a post, try writing with AI. And you usually find it in the middle of the page. So we're going to click on it. It'll say, what do you want to talk about? So we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to click on the plus icon or symbol. We will then go to the right and it's going to say add a document. So you click on that. Choose a file. So the carousel that we downloaded is over here, black and white, modern, bold, multi-page carousel for Instagram. So we're going to click on that and press open. So next thing that you need to do is you need to add a descriptive title or a document title. So we're going to say example. And then we're going to press done. And as you can see here, it's about to be posted, our carousel that we chose, building brand trust. And once you're done, or you can either add some words over here if you want, and then press post. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.